These 5 investment areas can secure your future. Do you know where the rich actually invest their money? Warren Buffett said, "Invest in what you know and believe in." Today I will tell you the 5 investment areas that can change your wealth. Watch till the end of the video, because number 4 and 5 will surprise you. 1. Stock market. The stock market is the most powerful place to build wealth long-term. Warren Buffett, the world's greatest investor, says, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." That means invest with patience, and over time your wealth will grow. If you start buying shares of a company every month from today, in 20 years it can multiply your wealth. 2. Real estate. Real estate is a safe haven. Even big investors like Warren Buffett know location, location, location. If you invest in property in a good location now, you will earn from both value growth and rent. Property is not just saving money, it is your security. 3. Gold investment. Gold is historically the safest asset. Inflation or economic uncertainty, gold never loses its value. Although Warren Buffett does not invest much in gold, he says, "Gold doesn't produce anything. I prefer assets that do." Still, gold is stable and secure. 4. Own business or startup. The 4th area, your own business or startup. If you believe in your skills and ideas, your own business can multiply your income. Buffett also started his first investment from a small business. Remember, it can be risky, but the return is unlimited. 5. Index funds and passive investment. The last and most important, index funds or passive investment. Warren Buffett says, "Most investors, both institutional and individual, will find the best way to own common stocks is through an index fund." It is a simple and powerful way where you can get the full market return with less time and effort. If you want to invest smartly for the long term, this is your best friend. Now you have those 5 areas, which if you use properly can completely change your life. Stocks, real estate, gold, your own business, and index funds. These 5 areas can make you rich. Which one will you start today? Don't forget to comment.